Hello. Today we are going to discuss about a 20th century poet, Philip Larkin. He is a poet standing apart in his own caliber and in his own creativity. To assess any poet is not within our limits actually to go into the every depth, every dimension of the creator. But what we do, what we aim at is an approximation. And this approximation comes when we analyze any of his works. So let's try to have a small excerpt from his poem, Faith Healing. And I'm sure that will introduce Philip Larkin to us as a poet of great impact. He writes, in everyone there sleeps a sense of life lived according to love. To some, it means the difference they could make by loving others. But across most, it sweeps as all they might have done had they been loved. So, what could be a better sentiment to talk about than love? And he speaks about this beautiful emotion and this beautiful feeling, and of course, love as a thought. He says he universalizes love when he says to everyone. So, not one is devoid of the feeling of love. He says that in everyone there sleeps. So, love, actually, according to him, is not an exuberant, not an ever showing feeling. Sometimes it is a dormant one as well. There sleeps what? A sense of life. We all have just a sense of life. If I ask you, are you living? You'll dismiss me as a mad person because actually you are living. But then, after I have asked the question, and if you really search within your recesses of heart, you will contemplate, yes, am I living? So, is that a truth? So there is a sense of life lived. But then, whether you live or you don't, the matter it rests upon is love. And this love has been dealt with in very metaphysical terms when he says that this love, to some, it means the difference they could make by loving others. The operative word here is could. Means, here it means the implications of the word is a possibility and a past occurrence, both. Whenever you read a poem, try to understand the modes and the moods conveyed by modals there. He says the difference they could make, that means they have impressed upon the world, and they could have made if they have not made. So to some it means the difference they could make by loving others. So love is only if you express it, if you keep nourishing it in your heart and give it no vent out to the world. Then if you have not vented it, you have not loved. People will never sense that there was any sense of love coming from you. So, to some, it means the difference they could make by loving others. But across most, that means a large majority of the people are those whom love sweeps as all they might have done, probability. They could have probably done had they been loved. So he talks about the reciprocal aspect of love. He speaks that if you are given love, you may receive it. If you have received it, you may give it. And this, according to Philip Larkin, is faith healing. Have faith in yourself. We all are endowed with something. The greatest reflection of God, the greatest goodness of God, which makes His existence evident in our being, is love. And to perceive that His love rests in us is a faith. And with this faith, you can heal the world. This is what is Philip Larkin as a poet stands out among the 20th century writers. He existed in that age, but what he has written will stand out over ages and ages hence. The message that he has to convey is that few things sleep inside us until we have expressed them. Make a search into your own recesses. Delve deep to find out who you are and who you can be. And this realization of the self and expression of the self are all dependent on the one feeling, that is love. Thank you. That is all for today. We shall be continuing tomorrow by reading his two very prominent poems, which are prescribed for study. But this is just an introduction of the great poet who should be close to your heart because he speaks about love. Thank you.